Hi everyone, and thank you for being here on Mia Cosmetic channel. With this video, we want to introduce you the Skin Cuddle collection. That is the first gift set collection made in Mia Cosmetics. The skincare collection was made also of skincare products, but right now, thanks to the Skin Cuddle collection and thanks to this launch, we want to introduce another category in our skincare range that is made of tools and accessory for skincare. And during this video, we will discover in the detail all the products that we are launching. The Skin Cuddle collection is divided in 3 different parts. The first one is dedicated to traditional skincare made of face serum, cleansers and face cream. The second one is dedicated to face and skincare tools and accessories. And the third one is around body care. And now let's start with the first skin set. The first Skin Cuddle set is the Golden Glow Anti-Age Skincare Set. This is suitable for dry skin, sensitive and dull skin, and is made with the purpose of giving a more bright and glowy face. But let's see what we have inside. As you can see, in this box we have 4 different products, 3 full-size skincare references and 1 accessory. This one is a traditional headband, useful when you do your skincare routine. The first product is a face cleanser, the Cleanse My Day face cleanser, that is also our best-selling and the most performant face cleanser. This is suitable for very sensitive skin, dull skin. This is suitable for all skin types. The second product is the Radiant Clay, that is a very performant face mask made of shea butter and different clays. It is capable of purifying your skin, but also leaving the skin super hydrated, and it granted the moisturizing action up for 5 days. And the third product, but also the most precious, is the Blooming Serum Gold Infusion. That is a light oil, rich in hyaluronic acid and a lot of other emollients and anti-aging ingredients. And thanks to the gold infusion, the 24 karat gold infusion inside, it is capable of leaving the skin very glowy and hydrating. One is the Blooming Skin Hydrating Anti-Age Skincare Set. This set is suitable as well for very dry skin and sensitive skin too. This is made of 4 different products, but in this case we have 1 full-size reference and 2 amazing travel size. This is the first travel size that we produce here in Mia Cosmetics. As the first Skin Cuddle set, we have our headband, and then we have the Blooming Serum Rose Infusion. This is the most hydrating oily serum that we have in our range, and it is very hydrating and is perfect to use with our other tools that we are going to introduce after. Then we have the HARMONIA Hyaluronic Pro Age Face Serum. That is a traditional face serum that we have to apply before the Blooming Serum, that is a little bit more hydrating. And it's made of hyaluronic acid, of course, and it's our best-selling HARMONIA face serum. And then we have the Complexion Clarifying Face, that is a very performant face cream capable of bleaching every single dark spot, sunspot and age spot that we have on our skin. So thanks to this little skincare routine, we can achieve a skin more hydrated, but also more bright, especially if you have a very mature skin, if you want to fight dark spot on your face and on your hand as well. DETOX is another amazing set of our Skin Cuddle collection, and it is a brightening and detoxifying skincare set. It's composed of 4 different references. Of course, we have again our headband, and we have another performance and very gentle and delicate face cleanser. This is Cleanse and Toll Milk. and it is gentle makeup remover and also face cleanser made of milk, and it is also a toner. It can be used just applied on your hand and used as a traditional face soap, but it can be used as well with a traditional cotton pad or with our tools that we are going to introduce. Here we have the DETOX version of our face serum of the HARMONIA collection, and it is made of vitamin C, capable of giving to the skin a more bright and a more toned effect. And then we have again our complexion clarifying face cream, the bleaching and brightening face cream, because we think that in all anti-age skincare routine, it's necessary to have something that can help us to bleach and remove gently our dark spot and sunspot. So for this reason, we want to insert this kind of face cream in two of our skincare collection. And then we have the last skincare set, that is the HARMONIA Little Treasure. Little Treasure because inside we have our HARMONIA face serum in their gel version. These are our best-selling face serum, and then we decided to create this set with the gel version of our traditional HARMONIA face serum. Inside you can find the hyaluronic HARMONIA Pro Age, made of course of hyaluronic acid. Then we have the HARMONIA DETOX, made of vitamin C, and then the Purify and Balance, that is capable of rebalancing oily and combination skin. Thanks to this set, you have 3 different main ingredients to achieve different results based on your skincare needs every single day. And now we can jump to the other area of our Skin Cuddle collection, that is made of skincare tools. The first kit dedicated to the accessories is the cleansing time. It is an essential face tool set. It is essential because it's made of headband that is practical and useful for everyday skincare routine. And it comes with 2 different removing pads. These pads are very useful to perfectly remove every single trace of makeup and impurities. It can be used alone, just with warm water, if you don't use a lot of makeup, because it is capable of embracing every trace of makeup in its microfiber, just using water. But if you used to do a lot of makeup with a lot of mascara, waterproof products, you can use it with our micellar water, with our Cleanse My Day, with all our makeup remover. After every use, you can wash it and remove all the trace of makeup that you have on it and reuse it forever. It is very useful because it's sustainable. Thanks to this pad, you can stop to buy the traditional cotton pad. So it's a very it's a plus for the environment, and it is also an investment for your skincare budget. And in this set, you will find 2 different pads, so you can also change the pad every time you have to wash it. And talking about skincare tools, we want so much to insert in our skincare range the Skin Workout skincare set. This set is made of 2 essential skincare tools to achieve a very toned and lift skin. This set is made of a facial roller and a gua sha. With facial roller and gua sha, you can improve your skin circulation, you can depuff dark circles, you can lift your cheekbone, your jawline, and achieve a lot of different results using them every single day. Gua sha and face roller can be used with a face cream or oil serum, like our Blooming Serum or our HARMONIA collection, and you can use it every day, or you can decide to use them just when you need to have a dark circle reduced, or do you want, if you want a more lifted skin. And now we have the body care collection. Thanks to the Skin Cuddle collection, we decided to introduce a body product, so the skincare now is available also for the body. And the Skin Cuddles comes with 3 different body sets made of 2 different products. The first one is made of a bubble bath and a body lotion. The body lotion is enriched with argan and jojoba oil, and every single set has a different fragrance. The first one, the Gleaming Groove set, is a sweet and floral scented kit. Then we have Enchanting Groove that is made of spicy and fruity notes. And then we have the last one that is the Refreshing Groove made of green tea. That is perfect to gift also to a man. Thank you for watching this Skin Cuddle introduction, and we will see you to the next video. Bye!